What's up, guys? My name's Taylor.
I'm Jack.
And welcome back to a Smoke Show Happy Hour. We're going to be making the Apple Cider French 75.
Yeah, so French 75 has some champagne in it. We're going to add some apple cider. This is actually a riff on a really trendy TikTok drink right now. So the way that people are doing it is they're taking Olipop apple crisp soda.
Yeah.
And they're adding a squeeze of lime, they're adding some gin, and then topping it with champagne.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
I feel like I've seen everybody drinking the Olipops now. Walk around in public, like everyone's buying one at the grocery store.
The new soda.
It is.
So we're going to take it a step further, and we're going to do a smoke show spin on it. So we're going to smoke it, number one, but number two, we're also going to elevate it just a little bit. So what we're going to need is some apple cider. We're going to need some gin, some champagne, and some lemon.
So this one's not too complicated, just a few simple ingredients for us here.
The only things we're actually going to measure is the gin, for obvious reasons. You don't want to do way more than you think you're doing, so we're going to do...
You can eyeball it. You can if you just want to keep pouring. We're not going to tell you how to make your drinks that much.
So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin, and then we're going to do about an ounce of our apple cider.
Close.
Then we're going to do a squeeze of lemon. So the way that I like to squeeze my lemons is actually cut off the side here, and this way you don't get any seeds. Oh, I got all the seeds, of course. Oh my gosh, you see that? I got 5 seeds.
Oh, wow.
You can easily scrape them out. I think I just cut too close to the center, but then you can just take it and squeeze it in, and you get like a nice little seedless squeeze there.
That's perfect.
And then we're going to shake it.
Alright guys, so we're going to talk about the smoke right now. I chose the little apple wood that we have, and I think this is going to pair great with our apple drink. I didn't want to go with the lemon peel. If you're really into the lemon, it might be a little overpowering for some if you're not, but I think this apple is going to pair greatly.
I agree.
I need a torch.
Alright, so now that we've got that glass smoke rinsed, we're just going to add our drink here. And it shouldn't fill the glass all the way. That's on purpose because we're going to top it with champagne, just like a French 75. And this should give it like a nice little bubbly, sort of dry
That
flavor.
looks beautiful.
Yeah, you want to give it a try?
Let's see.
It smells so good.
That's pretty good. I feel like that's apple juice right there. That might be dangerous.
Holy crap.
It's really light too.
You literally cannot tell that there's alcohol in that.
Yeah, so if you feel like waking up and having a glass of apple juice, this one might be it for you.
This is like a breakfast drink because if I gave this to you at breakfast, you wouldn't know.
See, it feels like it's almost like a mimosa, you know, there's that sparkling aspect of it too coming through, so.
To be able to cover the gin that much, it still adds to it, don't get me wrong. Like, you still get, like, that gin flavor, but oh my goodness.
I'm not huge on gin, so I think that's perfect. That's the perfect level for me.
This is fantastic.
I love that.
Yeah, I love this.
So if you guys like this drink, if you like apples, make sure to drop a comment, say I love apples.
Yeah.
Drop a like, subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this on the channel.
And of course, hit thumbs up if you like this video. Always helps us. So, and if you make this, send us a video on TikTok, Instagram, whatever social channel you use. We always reshare, and we love to see it. So,
Absolutely.
cheers.